Hello, welcome back to the English Brain.
Hi, everyone. We're very happy you are here with us today.
Today, we're going to talk about your daily tasks in English.
Yes, this is slow English conversation practice about the things you do every day.
We will use simple, clear sentences so you can practice your listening and speaking.
If you like this video, please help us by clicking like and subscribe.
So, how are you today?
I'm good, thank you. A little busy, but happy.
Why are you busy today?
I have many tasks to finish today. I need to clean the kitchen, go to the supermarket, and answer some emails.
That sounds like a full day.
Yes, it is. What about you? What are your tasks today?
Today, I need to prepare this lesson, take my dog for a walk, and cook dinner.
So we both have many things to do.
Let's start with a simple question.
Okay,
What is a task?
a task is something you need to do. It's like a small job or activity.
For example, washing the dishes is a task.
Making your bed is a task.
Sending an email is a task.
So tasks are the small actions we do every day.
You can say, I have 3 tasks to finish today.
Or, my first task this morning is to make coffee.
Let's talk about morning tasks first.
Yes, what do people usually do in the morning?
When you wake up, the first task is usually to turn off the alarm.
Yes, and then you get out of bed.
Some people make their bed right away.
That's a good habit. I always make my bed every morning.
Then, many people brush their teeth.
Yes, you can say, I brush my teeth after I wake up.
Another common morning task is taking a shower.
You can say, I take a shower every morning.
Or, I wash my face and brush my hair.
These are all simple morning tasks.
After you get ready, what's the next task?
For many people, it's making breakfast.
You can say, I make breakfast at 7 o'clock.
Or, I prepare coffee and toast.
Some people also prepare lunch for work.
You can say, I pack my lunch before I leave the house.
Do you prepare lunch in the morning?
Sometimes, but usually I buy lunch at work.
Let's repeat some useful sentences slowly.
Yes, repeat after us.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
I make coffee and eat breakfast.
I make coffee and eat breakfast.
I check my phone and read the news.
I check my phone and read the news.
Now, let's talk about work or school tasks.
Yes, this is the middle of the day.
At work, people have different tasks depending on their job.
For example, if you work in an office, your tasks might be answering emails, attending meetings, and writing reports.
You can say, today at work, I need to finish a report.
Or, I have 2 meetings this afternoon.
If you are a student, your tasks might be attending classes, studying, and doing homework.
You can say, I have to study for my exam tomorrow.
Or, I need to complete my homework before 5 o'clock.
These are all daily tasks for work or school.
What are your work tasks today?
Today, I need to record this lesson, edit a video, and reply to some comments on YouTube.
That's a lot of work.
Yes, but I enjoy it. What about you?
My main task today is to plan next week's lessons.
and also to practice my pronunciation.
Exactly. So our tasks are similar.
Yes, we both work on English teaching.
Now, let's talk about afternoon and evening tasks.
Yes, after work or school, what do people do?
Many people go shopping,
You can say, I need to go to the supermarket after work.
or I have to buy milk, bread, and vegetables.
Shopping is a very common daily task.
Another task is exercising,
You can say, I go to the gym after work.
or I go for a walk every evening.
Exercise is good for your body and your mind.
What about cooking dinner? Is that a task you do?
Yes, I cook dinner almost every day.
What do you usually cook?
It depends. Sometimes I cook pasta, sometimes I cook rice and vegetables.
How long does it take?
Usually about 30 minutes.
You can say, I cook dinner for my family.
Or I prepare a simple meal after work.
After dinner, there are more tasks.
Yes, like washing the dishes.
You can say, I wash the dishes after dinner.
Or I put the dishes in the dishwasher.
Some people also do laundry.
You can say, I do laundry twice a week.
Or, I need to fold the clothes and put them away. These are evening household tasks. Let's teach some vocabulary about tasks.
Yes, vocabulary time.
Task, a noun. A task is something you need to do.
Example, I have 5 tasks on my to-do list today.
Chore, a noun. A chore is a small job at home, like cleaning or washing.
Example, my chore today is to vacuum the living room.
Errand, a noun. An errand is a short trip to do something like going to the post office or the bank.
Example, I need to run some errands this afternoon.
To-do list, a noun phrase. A to-do list is a list of tasks you need to complete.
Example, I write a to-do list every morning.
Complete, a verb. To complete means to finish something.
Example, I need to complete this task before lunch.
Let's make a short dialogue about daily tasks.
Okay,
What are you doing today?
I have a lot of tasks. First, I need to go to the bank
What time are you going?
at 10 o'clock. Then, I need to buy some groceries.
Are you cooking today?
Yes, I'm cooking dinner for my family tonight.
That's nice. What are you making?
I'm making chicken and rice.
Now, let's talk about how to organize your daily tasks.
Yes, organization is very important.
Many people use a to-do list.
You write down all your tasks in the morning.
You can say, I write my to-do list at the start of each day.
You can check your to-do list to see what you need to do.
Some people use a notebook, some people use an app on their phone.
The important thing is to have a system.
Another good idea is to prioritize your tasks.
Prioritize means to decide which tasks are most important.
You can say, I prioritize the most important tasks first.
Or, I do the urgent tasks in the morning.
For example, if you have to finish a work report and also clean the kitchen, which is more urgent?
The work report is more urgent, so you do that first.
Then you clean the kitchen later.
That's how you prioritize.
Let's repeat some useful sentences about organizing tasks.
Yes, I write a to-do list every morning.
I prioritize the most important tasks.
I check off each task when I finish it.
I feel good when I complete all my tasks.
What about tasks you don't like?
Oh, everyone has tasks they don't enjoy. For example, I don't like washing the dishes.
Really? I don't mind washing dishes, but I hate ironing clothes.
Ironing, yes, that's boring.
But we still need to do these tasks.
You can say, I don't like this task, but I have to do it.
Or, I finish the difficult tasks first so I can relax later.
Let's make another dialogue. Do you have any tasks to do this weekend?
Yes, I need to clean my apartment.
The whole apartment?
Yes, the kitchen, the bathroom, and the bedroom.
That's a lot of work. How long will it take?
Maybe 2 or 3 hours.
Do you need help?
No, thank you. I can do it myself.
Now let's talk about weekly tasks.
Yes, some tasks you do every day, and some tasks you do once a week.
For example, many people clean their house once a week.
You can say, I clean my house every Saturday.
Another weekly task is doing laundry.
You can say, I do laundry every Sunday.
Some people also go to the supermarket once a week.
You can say, I do my big shopping every Friday.
What are your weekly tasks?
I clean my apartment on Sunday, and I go to the supermarket on Friday evening.
Do you plan your week?
Yes, on Sunday night, I write down all my tasks for the week.
That's very organized.
It helps me feel less stressed.
Now it's your turn to practice. We will say the beginning of a sentence, and you can finish it. Every morning
Maybe you say, every morning I brush my teeth and make coffee.
Today I need to.
You might say, today I need to go to the bank and buy groceries.
My most important task this week is to.
For example, my most important task this week is to finish my project at work.
We learned how to talk about daily tasks, like I need to go shopping, I have to cook dinner.
We learned important words like task, chore, errand, to-do list, complete, and prioritize.
We talked about morning tasks, work tasks, evening tasks, and weekly tasks.
And we practiced how to organize your day and finish the most important things first.
Remember, everyone has daily tasks, and talking about them in English is very useful.
You can use these sentences every day with your friends, family, and coworkers.
For homework, write 3 sentences about your daily tasks. For example, every morning I make breakfast and check my email.
Today, I need to clean my room and study English.
My most important task this week is to finish my work project.
If you want, share your sentences in the comments to practice writing.
Thank you for practicing with the English Brain.
If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who is learning English.
We're going to make more videos to help you speak clear, simple English every day.
Take care and see you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.